Now, here's an example how we can use the structure that we learnt in the last lecture to answer the question asked in IELTS Speaking Part 2. Describe a dish that you frequently have. You should say what the dish is, how it is prepared, why you particularly like it, and explain if you have prepared this dish yourself. Introduction. Okay, so I have got the topic to describe a dish that I frequently have. Not the perfect question to a person like me because I am not so foodie. I am comfortable eating anything. Past. Since I was a kid, I was raised in such a way that I did not feel comfortable to trouble others. Although my mother is the best cook I have ever come across, I never liked asking her to cook different dishes for me. Hence, every day I used to take the same dish as my lunch to the school. I always lied to my mom that that's my favorite dish, but it wasn't. It was just to let her not worry about cooking much. Present. That dish is a roti roll. We call roti as chapati here in India. It is a dough of wheat flour with a pinch of salt, some water and oil. After properly kneading, we fry it on a pan, apply butter on it, sprinkle some sugar and make a roll. It is now ready to eat. The dish is that simple. And it is a very common snack among all the people out here in Maharashtra. However, after growing up, I tried a number of dishes but nothing can match the simplicity of roti roll. Future. In future, I would love to try more dishes. As mentioned earlier, I am not a food person, so I do not know how much will I try. But as my husband is fond of trying new dishes each time he eats anything outside, I think I'll also have 2 or 3 more dishes added to the list. You got it? This is that simple. There are many topics which are attached to this lecture. You can download and practice each one of them. Prepare a set of adjectives and short sentences with the 4 main points as discussed in the last lecture. Once you get habitual to the structure, you'll quickly be able to interpret any topic that comes to you in the exam.